So now, how to create and send email campaigns using the Zappify.io email marketing tool. So first go to marketing, emails, and click new campaign or create campaign. You can choose from blank, email marketing templates, or your templates. So let's choose email marketing templates. You can choose different templates from here, and let's choose this template. So after that, you can enter your subject line, the sender name, and select your contact list or smart list. Yeah. Also, you can use the drag and drop email builder to design your email. And you can choose to send now or schedule it for a future date and time.